a guy ever cried in front of you?
Yes.
Was it a turnoff?
I feel like it made us closer, actually.
She never even asked why. Why I did what I did.
You trusted Sasha.
Yeah.
You were hurt by someone you trusted.
Yeah.
She would walk in, I'd be like, hey, good to see you. And I'd go to my dressing room and just go, oh, I'll never be able to be with her.
I'm broke, man! My life sucks! You're making it worse!
I hate to have to report this. The breaking news just into CNN is that actor Robin Williams is dead at the age of 63 from an apparent suicide.
I want to cry all the time, my eyes just won't let me.
I feel really alone, and I felt like I was gonna search YouTube for people with the same issue as me, and that is being really unattractive. And I've been having lots of issues with that.